Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 10 best robot vacuum cleaners for smart and efficient home cleaning. So, let's start. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 10. ABIR X8 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Topping the list, this robot vacuum cleaner offers laser system precision, multiple floors maps, and zone cleaning. The restricted area setting adds a customizable touch for effective home carpet cleaning. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 9. Xiaomi MIJIA Robot Vacuum Cleaner Mop Pro with 3000 PA cyclone suction and rotating pressure washing mop. This robot cleaner ensures self-cleaning and sweeping for a tidy home. It is a comprehensive solution for automated home cleaning. At number 8. Liectroux M7S Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Smart Dynamic Navigation, 4000 Pascal suction, and compatibility with Alexa and Google Home make this robot vacuum an intelligent and efficient home cleaning solution. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 7. Robot Vacuum Cleaner ABIR X8 with Auto Empty Dock, boasting 6500 PA suction. This robot cleaner offers multi-floor mapping and customized wet-dry room cleaning. The Auto Empty Dock enhances its convenience for seamless operation. At number 6. Robot Vacuum Cleaner Wet Dry Liectroux XR500, featuring a laser system and 6500 Pascal suction. This robot cleaner excels with multi-floor maps and selective area cleaning. The app allows convenient no-go zone settings for efficient cleaning. At number 5. Robot Vacuum Cleaner ABIR X8. This smart home appliance utilizes TOF wisdom for zone sweeping and restricted area mapping. Its UV cleaning and carpet wash features make it comprehensive for various cleaning needs. At number 4. Xiaomi MIJIA Robot Vacuum Cleaners Mop 3C Enhanced Edition. With a powerful 5000 PA cyclone suction, this robot vacuum cleaner is app smart and equipped for planned cleaning. The enhanced washing mop feature adds versatility to its cleaning capabilities. At number 3. New Xiaomi MIJIA OMNI 2 Robot Vacuum Cleaners, offering self-cleaning functionality. This model ensures hassle-free dirt disposal. The smart base enhances its efficiency, making it a reliable home cleaning machine. At number 2. IMOU Robotic Self-Empty Vacuum Cleaner. This robot sweeper is a fast-shipping home appliance. It features self-emptying capability, providing convenient and efficient cleaning. Ideal for various floor types, it streamlines household chores. At number 1. ABIR X8 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Equipped with a laser system, this smart home appliance offers precise mapping for multiple floors. With advanced features like TOF Wisdom and UV cleaning, it ensures thorough cleaning. The app-controlled restricted area settings make it efficient for home carpet cleaning.